Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account without using your phone number. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. Now scroll down and tap on users and accounts or accounts. The name might be a little different depending on your device. Then scroll again and tap on add account. Now choose Google. Now tap on create account and now I will select for my personal use. Enter first name and last name. Then I will click on next button. Put here birthday. And now I will select a gender. Then I will click on next button. Here I will select first one. Then I will click next button. Create a strong password and confirm it. Then I will click on next button. Again tap on next. Now scroll down and tap I agree to accept the terms. That's it. Your Gmail account is now created without using any phone number. Okay, now let's log in from a desktop. Open a Chrome browser and go to gmail.com. Enter your new Gmail address. Then click on next button. Now enter the password you just create. Then click on next button. If it asked for a phone number, just click on cancel button. Then just skip it. You are now logged in. Your Gmail account is now fully created and logged in without using any phone number. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much.